how to register a Gigaset handset. Simply go to Settings, select OK, then go to Registration, select OK, then select Register Handset, select OK, enter the PIN number, which is normally 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, select OK. Now the handset's registering. Just in case, push the blue button there for 3 seconds and let it go. And there you go. Handset has been registered. Easy.